Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. The long-awaited prospectus for the initial public offering IPO of TRANSJAMAICAN Highway was released today. TVJ's Andrew Laidley outlines how much is expected to be raised and by when.
Following on its promise to divest several public assets, the government today, through the National Road Operating and Construction Company NROC, released the prospectus for the Trans-Jamaican Highway Initial Public Offering IPO. It shows the company aims to raise more than $11 billion. It plans to do so by selling 8 billion shares at a cost of $1.41 each, or about 1 US cent each. The shares go on sale on February 17. The proceeds will be used to pay down debt and to buy shares in Trans-Jamaican Highway from its previous owners. Outside of those two expenses, the prospectus states that NROC, in conjunction with the Ministry of Finance and the Public Service, will decide on how the rest of the money will be used. Of note is that the majority 5.3 billion of the 8 billion shares to be sold are reserved for employees of Trans-Jamaican Highway and its operating parties. ETA customers for Highway 2000 East-West leg on record as at February 14 this year. Public sector employees, the underwriters, and registered pension funds. Trans-Jamaican Highway plans to list all the shares of the company on the US dollar main market of the Jamaica Stock Exchange with a cross-listing on the Jamaican dollar main market. Andrew Laidley, TVJ News.
Property owners are being told to brace for an increase in insurance rates this year of 10 to 15%. Executive Director of the Insurance Association of Jamaica, Orville Johnson, says it's due to the predictions of active hurricane seasons. Mr. Johnson says the type of construction and property location are two of the factors which will determine the level of rate increase. He says property owners can take advantage of increased competition in the market to get a new premium. Currency trading ended today with the US dollar selling for $141.53, the Canadian dollar $107.40. The pound closed at $182.51, while the euro is going for $156.47. To the stock market now, the JSE index lost 4,352 points today, and the junior market index declined by 47 points. Among the winners, Paramount Trading, Margaritaville Turks, Cygnus Credit Investments US dollar shares, Epic Caribbean Property Fund, and Scotia Group Jamaica. On the losing side, we had Sterling Investments, Key Insurance, Access Financial Services, KLE Group, and Caribbean Cream. And that's the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Good evening.